is our 9th show. By far, this has been the best show in many ways. The Elegance benefits 3 charities. Probably the main charity that we all talk about is Juvenile Diabetes Research Foundation. And the second and third is the AACA Library and Research Center and the AACA Museum. We have given $1 million so far to the charities. We usually select 75 cars, that's all the field holds, at the Hotel Hershey back gardens, and this year everybody's telling us it was the best show ever and the best field ever.
This is the first time that we're here at the concourse, and it's spectacular. It's the place where the car will be. It all looks beautiful, wonderful weather. So we're really thrilled to be able to show the car here today and be part of this wonderful event.
Here we are at Hershey, and right now we're all saying a prayer that we make it number 4 in a row with this car, 4 shows in a row. We've all said the prayers this morning over breakfast, and we're hoping for the best.
The winner of the Board of Directors Award of the Elegance of Hershey. Congratulations.